In continuation with Huckel molecular orbital, let us consider the example of benzene. As we know, in the structure of benzene, there are 3 pi bonds. 3 pi bonds in the sense 6 pi electrons. So, you can see in the picture the carbon framework of benzene, we have 6 carbon atoms, and according to HMO theory, the wave function for benzene is written as psi is equal to A1 P1 plus A2 P2 up to A6 P6. So, next step is to write the secular equation, 6 into 6 secular equation it is. Just go through how the H11 minus ES11 has to be written. We know the value of H11 or H22, H33, their value is written as alpha, and S11, S22, S33, their value is 1, and H21 if they are directly attached. If the carbons are directly attached, then you have to write beta in the place of H21. So, finally, the secular equation is written in terms of x. This is how it can be written. We have x diagonally, okay, and finally writing it is equal to 0 is must. So, now this secular equation can also be written as x to the power 6 minus 6 x to the power 4 plus 9 x square minus 4 is equal to 0. On expanding or solving this polynomial equation, we get 6 values, that is x is equal to minus 2 minus 1 twice, x is equal to plus 1 twice, and x is equal to plus 2. So, that means there are 6 energy levels. So, what are they? So, E1 is equal to alpha plus 2 beta, E2 and E3 both are equal to alpha plus beta, E4 and E5 is equal to alpha minus beta, E4 is equal to alpha minus 2 beta. So, yeah, in that E1 is the lowest bonding Huckel molecular orbital, E2 and E3 are the doubly degenerate bonding Huckel molecular orbitals, E4 and E5 they are also doubly degenerate, but they are anti-bonding Huckel molecular orbitals. E4 is the highest which is highest in energy, and it is anti-bonding Huckel molecular orbital. So, these are the 6 energy levels. There are 6 pi electrons. We have to fill these 6 electrons, 6 pi electrons in these energy levels as shown in the figure. Only E1 and E2, E3 are filled. As we know, E2 and E3 are doubly degenerate bonding molecular orbitals. So, 6 pi electrons are filled in psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, or you can also write in terms of energy E1, E2, E3. Antibonding molecular orbitals are empty. So, now with the help of this, we have to calculate the pi electron energy, pi bond energy, and also the delocalization energy. So, this is the structure of benzene we know. As you know, one double bond means the energy of ethylene has to be considered 2 alpha plus beta. So, we have 3 pi bonds, that means this 2 alpha plus 2 beta has to be multiplied with 3 to find out ethylenic pi bond energy. So, coming to the calculation of E pi, as we know, we have 2 electrons in the E1, its energy alpha plus 2 beta is written, plus 4 electrons in alpha plus beta molecular orbital. So, E pi is 6 alpha plus 8 beta. So, next is to calculate delocalization energy. As we know, the formula is E pi minus number of pi bonds or ethylenic pi bonds and their energy. So, 6 alpha plus 8 beta minus 6 into alpha plus beta. So, finally, we will get 2 beta is the delocalization energy. or else I have written E pi, that is the pi electron energy, minus 3. 3 is nothing but there are 3 double bonds in the benzene ring, and 2 into alpha plus beta is nothing but it is the energy of the ethylenic system. For one pi bond, what is the energy? So, that is what we have written. So, next is to calculate the pi bond energy. As we know, E pi minus 6 alpha. What is 6 alpha means? So, there are 6 carbon atoms. 6 carbon atoms are having 6 pz orbitals. That is what written. Finally, pi bond energy is equal to 8 beta.